Draupadi Murmu presented Gallantry Awards in Defence Investiture Ceremony 2025 at Rashtrapati Bhavan on 22nd May. The President conferred 6 Kirti Chakras, including 4 posthumous, and 33 Shaurya Chakras, including 7 posthumous, to the personnel of the Armed Forces, Central Armed Police Forces and State Union Territory Police. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth 26,000 crore rupees in Bikaner, Rajasthan on 22nd May. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister highlighted the ongoing transformation of India's infrastructure, emphasizing the nation's commitment to modernization. Pointing to the rapid advancements in roads, airports, railways, and railway stations over the past 11 years, he said that India is now investing 6 times more in infrastructure development compared to previous years, a progress that has captured global attention. On 23rd May, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025 in New Delhi. Addressing the event, Prime Minister said that Northeast is the most diverse region of our diverse nation. He emphasized the vast potential spanning trade, tradition, textiles, and tourism, stating that the region's diversity is its greatest strength. Emphasizing the critical role of Eastern India in achieving a Viksit Bharat, Prime Minister underscored the Northeast as its most vital component. He also said that for us, East means empower, act, strengthen and transform. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah launched the new Overseas Citizen of India portal in New Delhi on 19th May. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is continuously striving to provide world-class immigration facilities to its OCI cardholder citizens. On 23rd May, Union Home Minister attended the Border Security Force investiture ceremony and Rustomjee Memorial Lecture in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that after the India-Pakistan War of 1965, there was a need for a force that would ensure 100% border security even during peacetime. This gave rise to the idea of the Border Security Force. He also added that today, the BSF stands highest among all the border security forces in the world. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met the German Chancellor Friedrich Merz in Berlin on 23rd May. Both the leaders exchanged perspectives on major global issues, including combating terrorism. On 22nd May, Dr. S. Jaishankar interacted with members of the German Bundestag in Berlin. The minister appreciated their strong support for continued growth of India-Germany relations and also discussed with them India's firm commitment of combating terrorism in all forms and manifestations. Union Minister for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Prahlad Joshi launched 3 major digital initiatives, the Depot Darpan, Annamitra, and Anna Sahayata on 20th May in New Delhi. Addressing the event, the minister reaffirmed the government's commitment to reaching the most vulnerable segments of society, stating that our aim is to take the government's welfare schemes to the last man standing.